So I'm going to be giving a tip on how you can use voice typing on the Google Pixel tablet. Now, this is actually very useful if you don't want to have to type something out. So in order to make it happen, I'm just going to open up the keyboard. So make sure your keyboard's open. In the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a little microphone icon. All you got to do here is tap that and then allow access. And I'm just going to say a few words here. Hello, what is going on? This is so easy. All right, then when you're done, you would just hit the little button right here to stop it, and you're good to go. Like I said, this is actually very useful, and even though I just opened the keyboard here, you can see I don't have Messenger set up on my Pixel tablet yet, but, you know, it is what it is. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. Also want to let you know that you can get on our Tech newsletter, where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this one, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.